Okay. Class is in previous class I explained the concept of flip-flop conversion. In flip-flop conversion, uh, this is the block diagram of conversion of flip-flop. This is called flip-flop conversion logic combination circuit, as well as this is a given flip-flop. Okay, and these are the flip-flop data inputs and these are the outputs. Okay, so and previous class I explained all these things. These are the following steps to convert any flip-flop by using the given flip-flop. Okay, so these are the excitation tables. You remember these excited tables. Why? Because we are using the truth table as well as excited table of that given flip-flop. Using these excitation table and truth table, we want to derive conversion of flip-flop. Okay, so right now I'll convert conversion of SR flip-flop into ZK flip-flop. So here the given flip-flop is RS. Okay, so I'll write the key points here. The given flip-flop, the given flip-flop is RS, press reset and set pin. Okay, and required flip-flop is and required flip-flop is ZK. Understand? So the block diagram of conversion logic is the block diagram of conversion flip-flop is the block diagram of conversion flip-flop is given below. See, I use the two flip-flops here. So this is one flip-flop. Okay, and this is another flip-flop, and this is called flip-flop conversion logic, and this is RS flip-flop. Okay, and see there is a direct connection between these two flip-flops. Okay, and we want a required clock pulse, so this is called CLK clock pulse. Okay, and this is the required output. So this output is nothing but Qn and this is nothing but Qn bar. Okay, and these are the data inputs. Data inputs are right now J and K. Why? Because we are converting that is a JK flip-flop. So that's why the required input data is nothing but JK, and simply take the connection between these two, and similarly we will connect it between these two. Okay, so this is nothing but R, S, Q and QR bar. So this is the conversion of SR flip-flop into ZK flip-flop. So this is the block diagram. Okay, and then right now I'll write here truth table for JK flip-flop and excited table for RS flip-flop. So first of all I write truth table for JK flip-flop as well as an excited table for RS flip-flop. Okay, so I want to write these two excited table as well as truth table of JK flip-flop. First of all, truth table. See simply what is the truth table of JK flip-flops? JK, and simply take the Qn value and the next state is Qn plus 1 value. Okay, so this is the past output and this is the present output. So you can write this is a present state, this is a next state. Okay, you can write like that only. So what are the values actually? Because the Qn state is not known, we don't know exactly what is the Qn state, so that's why you will take the possible values of 0 1 for each case. So you will 0 0 0 0, at the time your Qn value is 0 or 1. So you will get same value 0 1 because this is a no change state. So if 0 1 0 1, at the time your past output you don't know, so simply take 0 1, and so these two are out. The next output is 0 0. This is called reset condition. Okay, and you will take 1 0 and 1 0 combination. You will get either 0 1 for your past output, so you will get 1 1 in this case. Why? Because this is a set case. This is a reset condition, set condition, no change condition. So you will take 1 1 1 1 as a logic, and you don't know the past output. You take 0 either 1, so you will get 1 0. So this is called toggling condition. Okay, so this is about your JK flip-flop truth table. As well as right now, I simply take, so this is the truth table. You have to underline like this. You have to write truth table in this manner only. Okay, so this is about truth table. Okay, and right now, what is the excitation of SR flip-flop? Excited excitation table, excitation table of RS flip-flop. Okay, so I will write excitation table for SR flip-flop or RS flip-flop, whatever it may be. So what is the present state? Excited stable present state is Qn. Okay, and the next output is Qn plus 1. This is called next state, and this is the present state. Okay, and flip-flops inputs are flip-flop inputs. So flip-flop inputs are nothing but R, yes. Okay, so you will write 0 0 1 combination, 0 1 1 combination, 1 0 1 combination, 1 1, you will 1 combination. So simply this output is 0 x, don't care condition first, 0 1 1 0, and simply 0 don't care condition. So this is your excitation table of SR flip-flop. I already write this exact excitation table in a previous class. I explained. Okay, so this is your excitation table. Using this excitation table and truth table of JK flip-flop and excitation table of RS flip-flop, we can write the conversion table for SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So next we want to explain the conversion table for SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So I'll move to next page. See, so simply write conversion table for RS flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Understand? Conversion table for RS flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Okay, so what is the actually required flip-flop? We know that flip-flop inputs, JK inputs, as well as the present state, next state of JK flip-flop. Using the JK flip-flop, first of all you write JK flip-flop truth table as usually. Then you have to take given flip-flop inputs also, given flip-flop inputs. So this conversion table is a required flip-flop and given flip-flop. So this is a given flip-flop. Okay, so flip-flop inputs, similarly present state, next state, and given flip-flop inputs. Okay, so first you write JK, and what is the present state? Qn, and what is the next state? Qn plus 1. And what are the given flip-flop inputs? That is called R input, S input. So simply you will, first of all, you will write all these things. Okay, you simply write this is R here, S. Okay, so take simple way, same as the exact truth table of JK flip flop only. Okay, so I'll consider once again the same table: 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. So this is the table. Q and state we don't know, every time take 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so what about Q and value is 0 1, no change. Okay, and 0 0 set reset state, and 1 1 is a simply, and this is a one toggle condition. Okay, so see, using this table you can write if both see Qn both are 0. Once again come to this excited table. So both Qn and Qn plus 1 both are 0, then you take R value is don't care, S value is 0. See here 0 0 means R value is don't care and S value is simply 0. I put here what is the present output, past output, past output, present output, 0 0, then R value will be take a don't care and S value will take 1. Okay, understand everybody? See here Qn value is 0 and Qn plus 1 value is 0. So that means past output as well as present output both are 0. Then your flip flop is going to be R is don't care condition, S is 0. So simply you substitute there. So right now Qn is equal to 1 and Qn plus 1 is 1. Nothing but Qn is 1, Qn plus 1. Past state is 1 and present state is also past state and present state. Present state is both are equal to 1. So that condition is nothing but this. From excited table, these two are 1. So therefore 0 don't care condition. So you will write this is a 0 don't care condition. So simply, okay. And what about both are 0? So simply you will again, once again you will write both cases are 0 means you will don't care condition, you will get 0 here. Okay, and 1 0. So what about 1 0 condition? See here, what about 1 0 condition? 1 0 condition 1 0 only, 1 0 only. 1 0 condition is 1 0 only. Okay, and what is 0 1 condition? So 0 1, 0 1 means 0 1 only, 0 1 means 0 1. Okay, and 1 1 is a simply right, 1 1 is 0 don't care condition. Okay, and 0 1 combination, 0 1 is nothing but 0 1 only. Okay, 1 0 is nothing but 1 0 only. So these are the conversion table. These conversion table we will write by using JK flip flop truth table, and what are the present output and next output, the combination. By the using of that combination we can write the RS flip flop values, R value and set value and reset values. By right now I use the corner map from this excited table, from this conversion table I use the corner map condition. So here I write by using K maps, you will get, see how you will write the K maps equation. See, actually we have, this is a 4x4 K map. So simply take the values, these are the nothing but, see, this is nothing but K Qn value output combination, and this is a J value. So J value is only for 0 1. Okay, and this combination is 0 0 combination, and simply this is a 0 1 combination, and simply this is 1 1 combination, and simply this is 1 0 combination. So therefore it is see, from all are 0, then R value. So right now I use K corn maps for R, K maps for R input. Okay, K map for R input. So see all zeros. See, if J is 0, K and Qn both are 0, then your R is, from that case, R is a simply, for only R, you don't write S value, you will write only R value. So at the time R values is simply undeterminate case. So that's why simply put T. So 0, 0, 1, take J is 0 and K is 0, Qn is 1. Where is the Qn 1? 0, 0, Qn 1. At the time your R is showing the 0. Okay, so simply put that 0. So simply 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here simply 0, 1, 1. See, this case is represent this case 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 combination. So your J value is 0 and your K Qn is 1, 1. This shows R value is 1. Okay. So simply now right now 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. See, this combination is 0, 1, 0, it will take. So that is nothing but R value is indeterminate. So simply take cross. Okay. Now simply come 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 case represent this case. So at the time R value is simply 0. Okay. And see 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. At the case this is represent at the time R value is 0. So simply put the 0. And 1, 1, 1, triple 1. At the time R value is 1. Simply take 1 and see 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. At the time R value is simply 0. Okay. So in this excitation table, in this corner maps table, the only possible values are, this is the possible value. So this is the possible value. So from this equation, we will write the Boolean expression for input R. Input R is equal to, see, only the possible is 1, 1. So that is represented KQN only. Okay. So therefore R is equal to KQN. So this is the output of, sorry, input of R by using corner map. So similarly, you will draw this type of corner maps to find out the value of S also. So similarly, S input value is simply, you will get S is equal to JQN. Okay. So these two are the present inputs of the flip-flop. Okay. Using SR flip-flop, you can convert this is a JK flip-flop. So right now you will give the R input as KQN and S input is JQN bar. So right, this is a bar. Okay. JQ and bar. So by using these two inputs, I designed a new logic circuit. So see, that circuit is nothing but flip-flop conversion table. So using these Boolean expressions, simply I'll write here, using this Boolean expressions, that is R is equal to KQN and JS is equal to JQN bar. Okay. The block diagram of conversion logic is as shown in figure. The block diagram of conversion logic is as shown in figure. See, so simply this is a conversion logic. So first of all, I write the conversion logic. Okay, using gate only. So this is AND gate. Okay, and you will take another AND gate. Simply this AND gate input is contact with given flip-flop. So this is a flip-flop. This flip-flop is given SR, see, RS flip-flop. Okay, and this is the clock pulse. CLK clock pulse. Okay, and simply the one terminal is connected to J, and the one terminal is connected to AND gate is connected to K. So these are the input data. Okay, and take the, you will get, this is the Q value output, and this is a Qn and a Qn bar. Okay, Qn bar inputs. So these are the outputs. Okay, and simply you will connect a line like to this terminal. Okay, and you will take feedback to this terminal. So here see AND gate. So your J R input is nothing but here R is the S is the input, and this is the R input. Okay, so this R is equal to KQN bar, KQN, understand? So therefore using AND gate, so what is the product of this AND gate? Simply you will represent the product of AND gate is nothing but, see, the product of AND gate is nothing but, see, K is equal to R is equal to KQN. See, AND gate product K. So K this value, and this is the QN symbol, and simply this is J is equal to KQN bar. So simply see, this is a QN bar, and which is connected to one of the input of first AND gate, and JK, the output will becomes a output is nothing but KQN bar. So this is nothing but K, S is equal to JQN bar. So this is called, so this value will gives JQN bar, and this value is nothing but KQN. Okay, so these two are given to SR input. Now SR input functioning is look like be a JK flip flop. So this is the conversion flip flop. So this is called conversion block diagram of JK flip flop into RS flip flop. Understand? So this is the theory. Okay, thank you very much. Hello.